Hello everybody and welcome back inside the box for another episode of Gunpla Kitbash with me, Kukamatsu. This is the first episode in a brand new build series and I'm excited to get started, so let's jump right in. Okay, here we go. The new project is the Master Grade Blitz Gundam. I've been wanting to do this kit for quite a long time. I really love it, and you know, in a way, I like it almost as it is. It almost doesn't need anything. It to me is a very cohesive design. So my plan for it generally, I think, is just going to be to accentuate some of the things that I like about it. So it's not going to be a radical change. It's just going to be sort of an emphasis of some parts. In the last series, I did actually do some pre-designing work, and it turned out that was super helpful for just giving me a rough idea of what I want to do to the kit. So I'm going to do that again this time, and I'm going to record the process so you can see what I did to get to where I got to. It is by no means a finished, polished piece of art. It's just to give me a rough idea of what I want to do. Definitely made the top area a lot more sleek, and that's why I ended up replacing the legs with the Strike Rouge legs. Actually, if you saw my very first series, you know that I had an extra Strike Rouge lying around that I was taking parts from for that. And I'm going to use it for this one as well. The Strike Rouge, the Ale Strike, the Buster Gundam, and the Blitz Gundam, and I'm not sure, maybe more kits than that even that I'm not aware of, all share the same kind of similar parts and inner frame. So that means I can actually just take the legs off of this and put it on here, and it'll swap out perfectly. As you can see, they're really not too much different, but definitely a smaller knee and just overall a sleeker look. Somehow it's got like 90% the same parts, but somehow it just ends up reading sleeker down here, and then so when I make it sleeker up here, it'll kind of hopefully flow better. I will take these pieces here and cover those as a little ankle guard. And then along the way, I will look for opportunities for some mechanical kit bashing. I like to do stuff in this area and then in around the feet, so maybe I'll do something like that, but we'll see. I didn't actually explore that too much in the design. I want to just see that as I go and see what might work. To get these shoulder pieces longer, I think that's going to be probably the hardest part in terms of reshaping and stuff like that. And I will do some simplifying of the details like I did in the Kuros. And then the other thing that I did was I added kind of a front grille to this section here. I was kind of inspired by a 1971 Buick Riviera. So I'm not trying to create that precisely or anything like that. I'm not turning it into the Riviera, but that did serve as a source of inspiration for the overall idea with the grill on the front. So I think that will be neat, and that will be an interesting challenge to make all of those grill parts probably from scratch using styrene. So there we go. I think we have a plan. I'm excited to get started on this guy. That is the end of this week's episode. If you enjoyed the video, I'd appreciate if you give me a like on your way out, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.